So right now you see the Fluent in 50 words PDF, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Here you
cool. And as you know, people will see this and they'll say, oh, so I only need to know 50 words to be completely fluent in Spanish? And the answer is yes, that's the clickbait version of the message. You only
Okay.
need 50 words, but that's not the real thing. Real thing is if you only knew 50 words, how well can you speak Spanish with only those 50 words? Or Fabio, if you only know 5 words, how much can you say using only those 5 words? If I only know one word in Spanish, Fabio, which might be hola,
Okay.
am I comfortable with saying to you, Fabio, hola?
Can you say hola
And you
to
say
all of the
hola,
people
Tony,
you meet, right?
to
Hola,
anyone you may
Tony.
meet.
Yeah,
Hola,
I like that.
okay? There's the core principles. It's if you can't be fluent with 50 words, you won't be fluent with 5,000 words, right? And if you think you can't be fluent with only 50 words because it's not enough words, then try being fluent with only 5 words.
Yeah,
That's the
most people
philosophy.
say they're stuck, they cannot speak the language, right? But if they only have 5 words and be really fluent in those, then it's a good start, right?
Exactly. How much can we do with less? Because then you'll be ready to expand. Then it's worth knowing 100 words, 500 words, 5,000 words, because I've been fluent all the way along. Here's 50 words that we're going to use in various ways to generate conversation. Hi, how are you? And so on and so forth. This PDF is available for anyone to download. So if you want to take a closer look, you can. But we'll just jump into there's the Spanish and the English. Word
Okay.
one, hola,
Hola, ¿cómo
¿cómo
estás?
estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi, how are you? Hola, Fabio, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, bien, ¿y tú?
Fine, and you, bien, y tú? Bien.
Bien, gracias.
Bien, gracias. Hola, Fabio, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú, Tony?
Bien.
Okay, gracias. Entonces, and so we just learned a little the very first conversation in Spanish that
Very first
most
conversation.
people will have, right? In most situations.
Then we'll take the screen away
Okay.
and then see if I actually am fluent in this. Can I not only remember it, but feel like I want to use it? Can I call a friend and say, hola, Fabio, hola, other friend, ¿cómo estás? Bien. Fabio,
Hola
¿cómo estás?
Juan.
Hola. Say again.
Hola Juan, ¿cómo
Hola,
estás?
Juan. Hola, Juan, ¿cómo estás? María, ¿cómo estás? Hola, hola,
Sí.
hola. Fabio, ¿cómo estás?
Bien. ¿Y
Bien.
tú, Tony?
¿Y tú? Bien. Gracias.
Okay. I think we're
Fluent in five
I think we're
words.
fluent in 5 words now, right?
We're fluent in 7 words now.
In 7 words, okay.
Uh, do you want to speak Spanish? Do you want to speak English? Do you want to learn Spanish? And do you want to learn English, right? This is one, two, uno, dos, tres, four, 5 new words, but it
Okay.
comes out to be 4 or whatever it was, more than that in terms of
Lots of possibilities,
the
right?
possibilities.
Okay.
Ask me something, Fabio. Ask me
Okay.
anything. I
¿Quieres hablar español, Tony?
think the word see comes later somewhere. Okay,
Yeah, there
something
you go.
borrow from the future. Word 30 of my 50. See. Most people know see anyway. See. What did you say? What was your question?
¿Quieres hablar español?
Sí.
Okay,
Sí,
sí.
Fabio. Quiero hablar español. Um, ¿Y tú, Fabio? ¿Quieres hablar español?
Sí, quiero hablar español.
We'll
Quiero
borrow.
aprender español.
Aprender español.
Sí, sí.
¿Y inglés? ¿Quieres hablar inglés? ¿Quieres aprender inglés? Quiero aprender portugués.
Sí, yo quiero hablar español.
Ask me why.
¿Por qué quieres aprender español?
¿Por qué? quieres. Notice that quieres and aprender are not numbered because we've already committed, we've already invested in those previously. That's the snowball effect of my little vocabulary, no?
Yes.
Thin
Sí,
layer.
sí, sí. Bien. So, ¿por qué quieres hablar español?
Tony, ¿por qué quieres hablar español? ¿Por qué quieres aprender portugués? ¿Por qué quieres later practicar, practice? ¿Por qué quieres practicar?
Ujú.
¿Por qué? Porque because to me it pleases to do that. Porque me gusta hablar español. Me gusta hablar español, me gusta aprender, me gusta hablar inglés y me gusta practicar portugués
Hmm,
y
muy
tú,
bien.
Fabio, ¿por qué quieres aprender español?
Me gusta,
¿Te gusta?
me gusta hablar español. Me gusta español. Me gusta inglés. Me gusta las lenguas. All the languages.
Excelente.
I
Todos,
like all the languages.
todos los idiomas.
Todos los idiomas, sí.
Me gusta aprender todos los idiomas. Nice.
And this is a very good thing because the phrase me gusta, like those words only, they open up a very broad spectrum of possibilities. You could like lots of things. Me gusta my family, me gusta my country, my hobbies, and I don't know, travels I do, the things I do in the daily basis. Like you could like lots of things. I think that's a really good way to start learning a language. What do you think, Tony?
I like XYZ. No, me gusta. That's I call that a core verb. Exactly like
Okay.
yours. It's a core verb. It's core. It's liking things and disliking things is one of the main. I mean, that's what Facebook is built on, isn't
Yeah, like Facebook is
it?
all about that.
Me gusta or no me gusta, basically. So yes, that's a core verb, right? Liking is a core, wanting is a core, going and doing things is core. Totally a core verb. And just like you said, as soon as I learn that verb, it's unlimited branches. I like to travel. I like to do this. I like to do that. So even if spending time with family or reading a book or traveling, if that's not part of my 50 words, that's okay because now I have the space. I've created the space for that vocabulary term. So
Yes,
sí, the answer is sí, me gusta, incredibly central.
fantastic,
And that's a good point.
fantastico,
Me
fantastico.
gusta. I like learning. Me gusta aprender. Ask me, Tony, ¿te gusta?
¿Te gusta aprender
Gusta, we'll go.
inglés?
Me gusta aprender. ¿Te gusta aprender los idiomas,
Sí,
Fabio?
pues que sí,
I need to
me gusta
practice.
aprender.
Me gusta aprender.
Necesito practicar más para aprender español.
I need to practice more, everyone. Necesito practicar más in order to learn Kung Fu.
Spanish or piano, yoga maybe.
Muy bien.
Okay.
Quiero. Here, we borrowed that already. I want to, right? Everyone gets the idea already. It's only a few words, but the point is, can I take it away and say, necesito practicar, quiero practicar más para aprender Kung Fu,
O para hablar portugués, hablar
para
español,
hablar
hablar inglés.
portugués. Muy
Sí.
bien. All right. So the
Okay.
proof of concept is here. Let's blast through a few more things. What did you do today, Fabio? Ask me, Tony. ¿Qué hiciste hoy? What did you do today?
Tony, ¿qué hiciste hoy?
Fui al trabajo. I went to work. Did you? ¿Fuiste al trabajo hoy? Fui al
Sí,
trabajo. ¿Tú?
fui al trabajo hoy. Sí,
Fui al trabajo. Sí, fui al trabajo.
fui al trabajo.
What are you doing? ¿Qué haces hoy? Ahora, ¿no?
Sí,
I'm learning.
estoy aprendiendo español y hablando inglés.
Estoy aprendiendo español. Estoy hablando inglés. Oh, ¿estás aprendiendo español, Fabio?
Sí, estoy
Sí.
aprendiendo español. ¿Y tú, Tony, estás hablando español?
Estoy hablando español y hablando inglés y estoy tomando café
Okay.
con leche.
Café con
¿Estás
leche.
tomando café? ¿Estás?
No,
Where's my
no, no
word?
estoy. Estaba tomando agua, pero ya ha cerrado.
Ya, ok,
Pero
muy bien,
there's no water anymore.
muy bien, muy bien.
Okay.
All right. Anyone who's watching at home and following along here can obviously just use this as a simple base generator, to just fill in the blanks. It's a mix and match game. You can switch out this for that and just go.
And language is all about that, right? It's a game. It's a game of using words to express thoughts, right? Ideas and connect with other people, right?
Sí. Muy bien. Here's how you know if you've pulled it off.
If you're
It's that
fluent in 50 words now, right?
if you're fluent in 50 words, that means that you can respond to the following. And now again, you print this out or send it to a friend. Have someone ask you these questions. A Spanish speaker, right? Can come and say, okay, Fabio, here's your quiz. So that'll be how you know if you are indeed fluent in 50 words, if you can respond to those questions. If you've taken the 50 words and practiced the conversation enough, then you should have no problem responding to those words, which means that even if you aren't completely fluent in the entire language and ready to get hired by the UN or something, at least you're well on your way to any level of conversation.